Award, we give award to those that deserve it. It's an organization that have a permanent seat in UN, as we are all aware. So in recognizing people, there are some factors or there are some variables we look at, or there are some achievements we look at, and we believe this professor deserves this award. Award of Outstanding Educator. And as somebody said the other time that, okay, the MC, the Federal University Lokoja is among the speedily growing university in Nigeria and even in West Africa. So in respect of that, Rotary Club of Lokoja recognize the person that is in charge of the university. Now, this award, the headquarters of Rotary is aware that Rotary Club of Lokoja is presenting this award to the VC of Federal University Lokoja as of today, even the district governor. And that is the reason why the district governor asked me to represent him in this occasion to present this award to the VC. So it is my honor and privilege to present Award of Outstanding Educator to Professor Olayemi Akinwumi,